Hello my creative friends, this is Arzoo here and welcome to new fluid art process. This painting is very special to me as I created it by using thread only. I searched several places for it but I did not find the exact match for my chain pull technique. So I finally decided to make it with thread only. So let's see how I did it. We'll start with the base colors. I chose deep ocean tones, blues and greens to mimic the mystical depths of sea. And here's where it gets exciting. I'll show you how to transform these simple colors into an ocean of movement with just a blow dry. Next, to create a jellyfish graceful tentacles, I dipped thread into vibrant shades like orange, white and red. Using a simple piece of string, you can add delicate flowing tentacles. It's a quick trick but so effective for creating underwater movement. I did not have chain, so I simply used the thread. So can you? Now, for the hair of the jellyfish, I poured a mix of bold colors directly onto the canvas. The trick here is blowing it out gently to get that signature dome shape. Using a straw or just your breath, you can sculpt the paint into this amazing abstract shape, perfect for capturing the fluidity of a jellyfish. Pardon me for not so great angle. I only have one camera for shooting now, so please adjust until I'll arrange multiple angles for showing you the painting from different angles. To give the head an ethereal metallic sheen, I added silver paint and repeated the blowing technique. This step really elevates the painting to something out of this world. Watch how the silver transforms the look, adding depth and a cosmic vibe to our jellyfish. I wasn't fully satisfied with the initial look of the tentacles, so I am using a spatula to adjust them for more defined flowing feel. This step is key. The smallest tweaks make all the difference in a painting like this. Finally, I torched the painting to remove any air bubbles. And just like that, our otherworldly jellyfish comes to life. And let's get a closer look how our jellyfish looks. If you are feeling inspired to create your own artwork, please share with me. I'm looking forward to it. And here is a final look of dried jellyfish painting. Let me know what other sea creatures or cosmic designs you would like to see in future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!